the FE exam is incorporating more conceptual questions than ever before. So how can you tackle these successfully? Well, that's what we're going to discuss today. I'm going to share with you guys 5 effective tips to prepare for these type of questions. Tip number 1, understand the basics. The conceptual questions require a solid understanding of principles, theories, and concepts. They might not require calculations, but they challenge your comprehension and application of core knowledge. So when you're solving problems, don't just focus on finding the right equation and just plugging the numbers. Instead, make sure that you understand the why behind the formulas. Try to understand some of the concepts and theories behind the equations. Now, if you're not sure how to do this, one approach is to research the definitions of keywords related to the formulas, or you can even research the formula itself to understand some of the concepts it represents. Now let's talk about tip number 3, practice. You're probably familiar with the saying, practice makes perfect. Well, practice helps you identify patterns, understand common mistakes, and boost your confidence. So exposing yourself to different type of conceptual questions will help you understand and answer such questions. Now remember, the goal is not just to find the right answer, but to also understand the process of getting there. Now tip number 4 is about study group discussions. You might be wondering, why bother with study groups when I can study alone, right? Well, group discussions provide multiple benefits. So first, they promote active learning. So you're not just passively absorbing information, but actively engaging with it, whether it's by explaining a concept to others or by debating a different approach to a problem. Second, they expose you to diverse perspectives. So each person brings unique insights or problem-solving methods to the table, so you learn how to approach a problem from different angles, which is critical for conceptual understanding. Alright guys, tip number 5, flashcards and active recall. Now, remember how I mentioned earlier to write down the concepts that you are learning? Well, this is why. You can create flashcards of the concepts or key definitions, and then you can try to recall the answers from your memory.